By now we have invested some time and effort to create this workflow, and it would be sad if we would lose it because just changing a single thing might break the whole workflow. So it's a good idea to download it from time to time. This is just a JSON file that you can import at any time later on. And the other thing is you can duplicate it. So let's do that, because now in the duplicated version we are going to change a few things. So let's try something out. This is unrelated. Now let's remove the unrelated branch, and we are going to use an LLM chain for that. Of course, we need to connect a model, and let's use a different one. Like we could use the free Grok API. They offer a lot of different models. So let's use this llama model from Meta. Now it's connected. Let's move this a little bit down. I will rename it and call it Ask User to Clarify. The prompt source is usually taken from the previous node automatically. We will change that. Pick define below, expression. Now let's say something like, explain that the user statement, and we pull in the data, was classified as, and we pull in the category classification. And we say, the model should ask the user for a more detailed description about his computer-related problems in a friendly way. Now let's save that. I'm actually going to reload the whole workflow. And now I say something like, I have cold feet. And now we get a response. Hi there, I think there might have been a little miscommunication when you said you have cold feet. I'm not sure how that relates to a computer problem. And then it asks for more computer-related details, and that is basically the last step we have to do when a user asks an unrelated question that has nothing to do with computer and IT problems, because now the user can clarify what the problem is, and as long as it doesn't belong to software or hardware problems, it will always go into the same loop. So let's try something like, my cold feet are in front of the computer, and you see the branch was executed again. Let's try, I have cold feet because of my computer, and this should once again lead to the loop. So it works as it is expected to work, and for now we are done with unrelated requests.